Continent of Asia represented well here. And look at this, right out of the gate, the offense from Fumita. Feet to back for 4 as KENICHIRO FUMITA came right at him 8 seconds in.
But I think ŠARŠENBEKOV got the points.
Oh, they gave it the 4 to Kyrgyzstan. So there we go, right back again.
Болгону 580 сомго үйдөгү интернет менен телевидениеге 55% арзандатуу. Жогорку ылдамдыктагы интернет, 200ден ашуун телеканал, кинотеатрларды көрүү мүмкүндүгү жана белекке приставка берилет. Сайма үйгүз толугу менен кошул.
Boy, look at this, Frederick. I'd love to see another replay. Take a look at it.
That was a quick start.
So 4-1.
As we talked about earlier, some of the wrestlers at this level, they're holding back a little bit. Not in this case.
Fumita, 27 years old, and again he tries to.
And he got the 2, I think.
Put ŠARŠENBEKOV out, and he gets the 2. The judge came in with it, the match chairman. Referee did not signal it. So the judge and the match chairman come in with 2, and man, these guys are throwing early, 4-3.
Fumita maybe he's the taller guy, and when they're in the clinch, like he can maybe lift ŠARŠENBEKOV up a little bit and then explode. Again, a clinch position. Where typical Asian wrestlers are very good in clinch position. The ground technique is always on point.
Ooh, man, look at the force and violence on that. And he has that trap arm gun as well. Now, coming out of it is Fumita. He's going to end up on top possibly. 10-5. And we go back to the feet. Not even 90 seconds in, 15 points put up on the board. And you could just hear the thud from Fumita when he hit the mat. Force and power from ŠARŠENBEKOV.
And now again in the same position. Oi!
Initial signal is red 2. It gets white paddled. This is one of those matches where you gotta wait. You can't be premature with the call on points. You gotta wait to see what the judge and the match chairman go with because they're so close.
So no point awarded in this position.
They got white paddle.
Okay. What was that, like 3 or 4 throws by Fumita already?
Yeah, the very first one to start the match is the one I'd love to see again. Well, for sure he had points there. Now they go near the edge, but they are out of bounds. Step out point awarded. First foot out was ŠARŠENBEKOV, so Fumita.
Very smart move by Fumita in this position. He could just see that maybe 10 centimeters out of the mat, and he just pushed a little bit, and ŠARŠENBEKOV.
Oh. Trying to hit the arm throw was Fumita.
No point awarded.
Yep, no points. He initiated it. ŠARŠENBEKOV firing near the edge. Fumita locks up his arm. One to Kyrgyzstan, and it's 11-6. Man, these guys are going for it here in the opening 3 minutes. They are not holding anything back.
17 points in 3 minutes. Wow.
Looks like both wrestlers pretty content with their body of work through the first 3 minutes. Yeah, lots of action. This highlight reel. It's all dried off. Buckle up for this second period. Let's see if Fumita comes in on the whistle like he did to start the match.
Now again. Oi! 1 point.
No points awarded. White paddled.
I was just thinking he got it in the first period.
Sharrshenbekov gets his left arm into a position where he could maneuver Fumita. Fumita battling off. Comes back in with a pummel, front chest lead.
Sharrshenbekov is really strong in this position with the underhook.
Fumita gradually feeling where he is, trying to bunker down here. He knows he's in a vulnerable position with the underhook established for Sharrshenbekov, so he wants to be real careful, and he'll get the whistle. 2:06 to go here for the gold medal at 60. Not the type of flurry we saw in the first period, but there's still lots of time.
It takes a lot of energy to throw all the time, but they don't seem tired.
A lot of forward pressure in this position, shoulder to shoulder. Sharrshenbekov steers him away, gets him a little bit further back. 23-year-old for Kyrgyzstan looking to defend his title from a year ago.
This is maybe the first fight we see the whole week without any pater position by the referee.
Yeah, there's no time for that. This is going to be determined on the feet.
Sharrshenbekov always searching for that underhook.
Fumita counter with a 2-on-1. Now he has an over-under position. Hands are clenched. This is where Fumita likes to roll the die a little bit, so something is coming. He's just bracing, and then the referee stopped it. So we go back to the center with 42 seconds.
And Fumita really needs to take a chance right now. Even a 4-pointer isn't enough.
All of the offense coming in the opening 3 minutes. Neither wrestler has scored here in period 2.
Fumita is searching for something, but Sharrshenbekov is not allowing him with the 10 seconds left. Not opening anything.
The 11-point barrage in the first period by Жоламан Sharrshenbekov, the difference. And for the second straight year, Kyrgyzstan wins a world championship. What was the key in the second period? What did he do differently to keep Fumita from getting to all those upper body throw attempts that we saw?
I think the respect Fumita maybe got from the first period, that he just can't throw because this guy is like a cat. He lands on his stomach every time.
So it was more Fumita changing up his course of an approach.
I think both of them. Sharrshenbekov, of course, closes a little bit. He knows there is no reason for me to go in these positions right now.